But yeah, once again, I'm unique.
You're unique. Listen.
Wow! Talk about a blunder. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Renoy here.
And unique.
And today we're going to be reviewing a restaurant that we visited.
Yes. So we'll be looking at Jangalee restaurant that is located in White River.
Or Exchange, depending on how you look at it. But I think their address is White River.
Yeah, in Ocho Rios. So we went there and we just have a few ratings and everything that we're gonna go through with you guys and, you know, give our opinion or recommendations, right? Of the place as well as the food.
And the ratings is gonna be out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, so we have to look. I'm sorry, this is the first one.
That's all right. So we have the first one being location.
And the location, while it is quite unique, it's actually right at the roadside. And I'll see if I can insert a clip here because I did a little video. But it's right at the roadside, especially for dining. So that threw it off just a little bit. But aside from that, the location is quite good. It's not far out of the town of Ocho Rios. And yeah, it's a nice little location. So we decided to give it
a 7.5
out of 10, of course.
Yeah. Right, and for the ambience,
we did this today. I don't know why I'm shooting a blank here. But yeah, for the ambience, go ahead.
All right, so for the ambience, it is the regardless of how close it is to the road, like the little dining area, it's pretty good.
Yeah,
it's pretty good.
The furniture that they had these barrel type
chairs.
Yeah, barrel chairs, and the tables were on barrels if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken, but yeah, everything was quite nice. And there's this huge tree inside of the place that I really had to ask if it was a real tree because it was just kind of weird.
Yeah,
but yeah, there's a huge tree in there. And for ambiance, it's pretty cool. It's all right. So well, it's pretty cool. So we gave it
a 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. All right, moving on.
Then we had customer service, which we graded as 8 out of 10. So when we went up, we were greeted by 2 lovely ladies that were there.
Lock here. That meant they're lovely. They had lock here.
So 2 ladies that were there, they greeted us. They were pretty polite. And we didn't realize that there was an extension of where they were sitting in the dining section, that there was an extension. And they advised us that, hey, you know, you can go and sit up top. We were like, oh, okay, cool. But then the person that came to us, the waitress, server, whatever, wasn't that friendly in asking what we'll be having based on what's on the menu. Like, yeah.
Yeah, and it was actually quite close to that curfew time, which we can understand, but at the same time, we weren't told, oh, we're not going to be serving anything or whatever. So, you know, the fact that we're there, we expected, you know, well, I'm strong on customer service where visiting restaurants are concerned. So that's one thing that will keep me coming back. We're not saying that she was horrible or the experience was horrible. It was just a bit off. But at points she did kind of come around as well. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. So we gave them an
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, and then we also have food presentation. No, I gotta tell y'all, the presentation of the food, it was really good.
It was good.
It was good. And you know, when you go to them nice restaurants, they're gonna give you some nice plates that will help with the presentation of the food and all of that. So yes, we got the nice white plates with a nice design.
This shows how good the presentation was. Me get crackers in a sauce. And I was like, wow. But really and truly, the crackers in the sauce thing, it was really the type of plate that they put it in. It was in this
leaf shape.
Yeah, it was a leaf shape or canoe shaped. Yeah, canoe shaped dish, and it was pretty cool. So presentation for food, presentation. it obviously covers food.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. So we gave them a rating of.
We gave them the full 10.
Oh yeah, we gave them full 10.
And then when we move on to value for money.
Alright, this now is where we have some, I don't want to call it nitpicking because this is not nitpicking. Again, we went there close to curfew time, so we know that they're gonna be closing off. And what was said is that the complimentary sides, which was like rice and peas,
White rice and peas. And I don't remember what the other two are.
yeah, though they were out of those. And if we wanted any additional sides, we'd have to get from the section that's not complimentary. And
Correction, not additional side.
oh, not additional. Sorry, for real.
Yeah, it's not additional. So
Side in
to
general.
get a side,
Yeah.
they don't substitute sides.
Which I think those were the exact words that were used.
That's exactly what she said.
Yeah.
So we were like, huh? What do you mean? It's like, oh, so the complimentary side is rice and peas, but we don't have any rice and peas at the moment, and we don't do substitution for the sides. So you would have to choose from the non-complimentary section which side you want.
Yeah, not our place, but I think as a gesture to a customer, if there's a situation like that, and especially when you're close to closing time, I think you should just automatically, we agree on this, that you should just automatically include one of those sides in the meal, because if we choose not to get that, it's just gonna be like I had conch, it's just gonna be the conch and nothing more, and that definitely threw off the experience a bit for us.
It did.
Yeah. So for value for money, we gave them a total of.
Oh gosh. We give them 8 out of 10.
And that's actually being quite generous.
Yeah.
Based on that. So
And
put it up to about 6.
that's not nice. And then for the taste, of course, because the food presentation was one thing, but for taste, it was really good. Like seasoning them, hand up the night.
I have not had conch in a very, very long time. I'm gonna tell us that the people them conch did bad. Like the conch bad. And I had bami with the conch as well, and the bami did bad. And then remember me tell about the crackers in a sauce thing. The crackers in the sauce thing did bad.
Alright,
like,
so everything did?
bad. like
Okay.
bad. And
I
we
think they
mean
got it.
Jamaican type of bad, not whatever else. When we say bad, I mean it actually good. It was so good. So we're definitely happy for that. I ate everything. Somebody left some.
Yeah.
I don't know how she did that.
I had curried shrimp. It was good. It was really, really, like both meals were really, really good and everything. So, after getting the meals and everything and eating, it was pretty good. So, our only thing was the fact that the complimentary side or none of the complimentary sides weren't available. And they didn't offer one of their non-complimentary to say, oh, because it's not available, let's just do it this way or whatever.
Yeah, that's our only gripe with that. So this pretty much, we're not gonna do a overall ranking or rating thing. It's just those categories, correct? There's nothing more?
That's
it.
it.
Just those categories. So this is the end of the video. We want to thank you very much for watching. We uploaded our first video on Wednesday, and we absolutely love the feedback and the views that we've gotten so far. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
And we are the Crookies. Crookies.
One of our friends gave us that name.
Crookies. Crookes. Crookies. So once again, I'm Renoy.
And I'm Unique.
And this is the end of our video. Bye! But yeah, once again, I'm Yannick.
You're Unique. Listen.
Wow! Talk about a blunder.
Come on, let's go again.
Once again, I'm Renoy.
And I'm Unique.
And we hope you'll all one day find a love like ours. You want to do that again?
We're not doing that, please.
And
thank you guys for tuning into our video today.
I had said that previously.
We don't know how we edited.
That kind of abrupt.
Abrupt.
Though. Yeah.
Bye. Where you run from, sir? Let's go.
So, once again, I'm Renoy,
And I'm Unique.
and this is us saying goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bloopers are plenty.